Gardening is a rewarding hobby that connects you with nature. Start by determining your goals. Do you want vegetables, herbs, or flowers? Assess your space for sunlight, soil quality, and layout. Choose plants that suit your climate and are easy to grow, like tomatoes, basil, or marigolds. Gather essential tools: a garden trowel, hand fork, pruners, gloves, and a watering can. Clear your garden area of weeds and debris. Loosen the soil and add organic matter like compost. Decide on in-ground beds, raised beds, or containers based on your space and needs. Decide whether to start from seeds or seedlings. Seeds are cost-effective but require more care. Seedlings offer convenience. For seeds, follow packet instructions for depth and spacing. For seedlings, harden them off before transplanting. Water gently and provide optimal conditions for growth. Water consistently, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Use mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize with organic options like compost or fish emulsion. Prune regularly to encourage growth and manage pests with natural remedies like neem oil or beneficial insects. Harvest vegetables and herbs when they reach the desired size. Cut flowers in the morning for freshness. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.